Hey, what's up, guys? I'm over here at the mall trying to find something to wear for my friend wedding tomorrow. So, trying to find something to wear. Man, I'd be walking around. I couldn't find my sizing. It sucks to be a Samoan because you cannot find any Samoan size in the mall. See, that's all they have. A small size. They all small size. Medium size, small, extra medium. Yeah, that's my wife. I found a shirt and my hat to wear for the wedding. And, me and my wife
Hi. 50.
so we're here to grab something to eat. We're hungry. We're hungry. We're hungry. I got my white hat, and my white shirt for tomorrow. Bengka kiri poi pongarap kembali kai. More man, we got our food. Look what we have. What do we have, hon? What did we order?
We got old school Philly steak.
Old school Philly steak, fries and cheese and bacon. Yeah, tay yesu, tay lawanga leimoro walopa, tay yupa manuyanga, tay me ai me inula masaune tadia, pa manga leipa pa ia pa manuia, po ire vi inga I lau kio na Yesu, amen. Man. Where are we going, huh?
Home.
We're going home. Yep.
wash my car. Oh. Yeah. Oh, brother, you don't want to do that. You're gonna wash my car.
Here.
Hi.
Washing my car, my truck. Nice day out here. Saturday weekend. Spend time with the wife, washing the car. Làm mấy nghề, làm mấy weekend. Anh ko nga pa sa video. Sung singa uli pipi masinga mo o nga leo. O iya re ha. May pike.
Yep. Malo iya de. Ako video nga ni Yesu. Yeah. Pawanga umeng pa ni Yesu ko nga. We just went to the mall to get me a shirt to wear tomorrow for my friend's wedding, and we went to eat, and then we came and washed my truck because it needed to be washed because it was overdue. Wash my car, but finally do it. So, anyways, that's our video for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, like and comment and share our video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day and God bless.